Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and opening the Data tab. Make sure Power Query is available and you have access credentials to the source. Once done, choose the connection type: File Import for static snapshots, Direct Query for near real-time, or a live connection where supported. Next, click Get Data, pick the source, and supply path or URL. You're initiating the pipeline now. This first action defines refresh behavior and determines how transformations will behave later. Once your raw connection loads into Power Query, you'll clean and shape the data. You should filter rows, promote headers, and correct data types to prevent import errors. If combining sources, use merge for matching keys or append for stacking datasets. Select consistent key columns to avoid mismatches. Then configure query parameters for dynamic paths and set privacy levels to prevent data leaks. Finally, choose to load to table, data model, or create a connection only, depending on workbook size and analysis needs. To complete the process, load your cleaned query to the desired destination and run a full refresh to validate results. You'll check row counts and spot check values and calculations so you know the connection behaved as expected. Once done, schedule refreshes in Excel or Power BI Gateway if needed, and document refresh frequency. If something breaks, first re-enter credentials, then verify file paths and firewall access. Make sure privacy settings aren't blocking joins. That troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.